If you are looking for a private land surveyor in Jaipur, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the perfect choice. With their expertise and experience in land surveying, they provide accurate and reliable surveying services for both residential and commercial properties. As a private land surveyor, they understand the importance of precise measurements and mapping when it comes to land development projects. They use advanced technology and equipment to ensure that their surveys are conducted with utmost precision. Scon Design India Private Ltd, as a leading private land surveyor in Jaipur, offers a wide range of services to cater to the needs of their clients. Whether you need a topographic survey, boundary survey, or construction layout survey, they have the knowledge and skills to deliver exceptional results. Their team of highly qualified surveyors is well versed in using the latest surveying techniques and software to provide accurate and detailed surveys. One of the key advantages of hiring Scon Design India Private Ltd as your private land surveyor in Jaipur is their commitment to delivering high-quality services within the stipulated timeframe. They understand that time is of the essence in any land development project, and they strive to complete their surveys efficiently without compromising on accuracy. Their expertise in project management ensures that every survey is carried out smoothly, from planning to execution. Scon Design India Private Ltd has built a reputation for being a reliable and professional private land surveyor in Jaipur. They prioritize client satisfaction and aim to exceed expectations with their exceptional services. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their surveys accordingly. Whether you are a homeowner, developer, or contractor, they provide personalized solutions to meet your unique needs. When it comes to land development and construction projects in Jaipur, having a reliable private land surveyor is essential. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading company that offers professional land surveying services in Jaipur. With their expertise and experience, they provide accurate and precise measurements of land boundaries, topography, and other important data necessary for project planning and execution. As a private land surveyor in Jaipur, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of delivering high-quality surveying solutions to their clients. They have a team of skilled and certified surveyors who are equipped with the latest technology and tools to ensure accurate and efficient surveying results. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, they can handle all types of land surveying requirements. One of the key benefits of hiring Scon Design India Private Ltd as a private land surveyor in Jaipur is their attention to detail. They understand that even the smallest error in measurements can have significant consequences in the overall project. Therefore, they take every precaution to ensure precise and reliable surveying results. Their team conducts thorough research, utilizes advanced surveying equipment, and follows industry best practices to deliver accurate data. Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers comprehensive land surveying services. They specialize in boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, as-built surveys, and more. This means that they can assist clients at every stage of their project, from initial planning to final construction. By providing detailed and reliable surveying data, they help clients make informed decisions and avoid potential issues during the development process.